Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap Settings at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and tap Log Out at the bottom. Tap Log Out again for confirmation. And that's how you log out of Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.